In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to fix comments that are closed in WordPress. Are you seeing the comments are closed message on your WordPress posts? This message is displayed when comments have been disabled on a post. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve this error. If you want to know how to report inappropriate comments in WordPress, we have a video explaining how you can do that too. I'll link it in the description below, or you can also click on the eye icon on the top right corner of your screen to view the video. Now, there are a few methods you can use to fix this issue. First, in your dashboard, go to Settings. Then click on Discussion. Here you can check two options. First, check if this option is enabled. This allows people to comment on new posts. And secondly, you need to check if this option is disabled. In this option, comments are automatically closed after a certain period of time specified here, so make sure this is unchecked. Then make sure to save the changes. And for most of the users, these steps will fix this error. Next, if you're viewing this error on certain posts only, then you can check these posts as well. Go to All Posts, then open the post in which the error is displayed. If you don't see the discussion meta box here, then go to Screen Options. And make sure that the discussion option is enabled. Now, go to the discussion meta box and make sure that this option is checked to allow comments on this post. Similarly for users that use the Gutenberg editor. On the right side, go to the discussion settings and make sure that the Allow Comments option is enabled here. Now, if you want to enable this option on multiple posts, go to All Posts, then select all the posts. In the Bulk Action option, click on Edit, and then click on Apply. Then in the Comments option, select Allow here. Then click on Update, and this will allow comments on all the posts. If you're still seeing this error, then maybe a theme or a plugin is causing this. So, try changing your theme to some other theme and check if the error is still there. Do the same thing for plugins. Deactivate all the plugins and activate them one by one to see if any plugin is causing the error. This is how you can fix the comments are closed error in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.